Then let's look at the basic etiquettes. In the basic etiquettes, number 1, thank you. If you want to say thank you, you say asante, asante, asante. You are welcome. You are welcome. Karibu. Please, please. Tafadhali, tafadhali. I'm sorry if you want to sympathize. If you want to sympathize, I'm sorry. Pole or samahani. Excuse me. If you want to say excuse me, you say nisamehe, or you can also say samahani. Then the next thing we're going to look at is the relationships titles. Relationship stroke titles. Let's start with the first person. Me is mimi. You, wewe. Us, sisi. Him or her, yeye. Them, wao. Friend, your friend or your pal. Rafiki, rafiki. Family, jamii, jamii. Daughter, like the way is in Luo, ni in binti. Son, son, kijana, kijana yangu. Or brother, who is a relative, ndugu or kaka. Sister, dada. Father, baba. Mother, mama. Then doctor, daktari, daktari. Teacher, mwalimu. Sir, bwana. Man or man is mwanaume, wanaume when it's plural, wanaume. The plural of mwanaume is wanaume. Woman is mwanamke. Women is wanawake. A young person, who is a youth, kijana. A girl is msichana. An old man, mzee. Let's look at the common drinks. How you say it. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Ninahisi. You can say, in the old version they used to say ninasikia kiu. Or you just say ninahisi kiu. Or nina kiu. Nina kiu. If you want to say I would like, ninaomba. Ninaomba. I want, nataka or ninataka. The drinks and beverages, or drinks stroke beverages, you call them kinywaji, or when there are many, vinywaji. Coffee, kahawa. Tea, chai, chai. Water, maji, maji. Milk, maziwa. Beer, pombe or beer. If you want to say things that are related to food, if you want to say I am hungry, ninahisi njaa or nina njaa. Food, chakula, chakula. Bread, mkate. Meat, nyama. Fish, samaki. Vegetables, mboga, mboga. Fruit, matunda. Chicken, kuku. Corn, mahindi, mahindi. Various places and locations. Market, soko. Mosque, msikiti. Church, kanisa. Shop, duka. School, shule. Hospital, hospitali. Home, nyumbani, nyumba or nyumbani. Bedroom or toilet, choo. Shower, kioga, kioga. Kitchen, jiko or jikoni. Garden, shamba. Cost, or in translations of cost, how much. Pesa ngapi, pesa ngapi. How many, how many. Ngapi, money, pesa. Price, bei, bei, expensive, ghali, cheap, rahisi, or in person. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Bye bye.